I'm in Bagley, the associate pastor here at Pollard United Methodist Church. About 30 minutes ago, I got a phone call that a truck had crashed into the front of the building, so I came running out of the offices to see the scene that is behind me right now. The blessing is that both people that were in the truck aren't hurt too terribly badly. All the damage that we know of so far is there's a hole in the wall which leads into a bathroom, and the main water pipe that fed that bathroom was busted. So there's water that's poured out over the grounds, water's poured out into the building, but the fire department's done a really good job of squeegeeing the water out of the building, not letting it get into the sanctuary and do any more damage than that. We won't know any of the rest of the damages until the truck's moved and we're able to assess it better.